What's buzzing in the EV world? Get ready, because ElectroDrive news is dropping the hottest updates. We've got incredible news from Nio, with their ES8 SUV absolutely crushing it in pre-orders, hitting a massive 100,000 orders and setting the stage for a huge launch. Then buckle up as we dive into the stocks making waves today. Nio, Rivian, Moderna, Meta, and Bitmine. Who's on investors' radars and why? We're also looking at Nio's options market, where trading activity is exploding, signaling major investor interest. And to top it all off, we're breaking down that game-changing UBS upgrade for Nio, suggesting a significant upside. Don't miss a second. Hit that like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Nio's ES8 SUV is a pre-order phenomenon. Deutsche Bank reports that Nio has secured a staggering 100,000 cancelable orders for its third-generation ES8 SUV, a massive show of confidence from consumers. This surge in interest comes just ahead of the official launch at Nio Day 2025, where final pricing will be revealed. The pre-sale price, starting at RMB 416,800, is already significantly lower than its predecessor, and analysts at Deutsche Bank anticipate a further price reduction of up to RMB 17,000, making the new ES8 even more competitive. This success follows closely on the heels of Nio's sub-brand Onvo, whose L90 model achieved record deliveries, surpassing 10,000 units in its first month. Nio management has ambitious production targets, aiming for 10,000 units monthly capacity by October and 15,000 by December, with a Q4 delivery goal of 150,000 vehicles. Despite a slight dip in weekly new orders as buyers awaited final pricing, Nio stock has surged, bolstered by positive analyst sentiment, including an upgrade from UBS and a recent $1 billion share offering. The third-generation ES8 is already shipping to dealerships, signaling a rapid delivery rollout. Public reaction has been overwhelmingly positive, with Nio stock climbing steadily, reflecting strong investor confidence in the new ES8 and the company's strategic direction. Don't go anywhere, the market buzz is just getting started. Next, we're diving into the top stocks capturing Wall Street's attention today, including Rivian and Meta. Stocks on fire: Nio, Rivian, Moderna, Meta, and Bitmine ignite investor interest. In a day where U.S. markets saw slight dips, several stocks stood out, capturing the attention of retail traders and investors. Nio stock surged an impressive 8.17%, closing at $7.02, fueled by an upgrade from UBS to buy and the commencement of shipments for its new ES8 model. Rivian also climbed 5.29% to $14.32 following the announcement of its new U.S. facility in Georgia, a significant expansion for its electric vehicle production. Moderna saw a 4.02% rise to $24.84 after releasing preliminary data for its updated Spikevax formula, showing an 8-fold increase in antibodies against a new SARS-CoV-2 variant. Meta's shares increased by 1.87% to $779, driven by leaked information about its next-generation smart glasses, hailed by analysts as a potential game-changer. Finally, Bitmine stock jumped 5.31% to $55.93 after reporting it holds over 2.15 million Ethereum tokens, positioning it as the world's largest Ethereum treasury company. These movements highlight a dynamic market where EV manufacturers, biotech innovators, tech giants, and crypto-focused firms are all vying for investor attention, with ElectroDrive News's Edge stock rankings providing key insights into their momentum and growth potential. But the market story doesn't end here. Prepare for an even deeper dive as we explore the unusual options activity surrounding Nio. Nio's options market explodes with unusually high trading activity. Nio Inc., NYSE, NIO experienced a significant surge in options trading on Tuesday, with call options volume jumping approximately 64% above the daily average, reaching a total of 323,323 contracts. This heightened activity coincided with a 0.53 increase in Nio's stock price, closing at $7.02, amidst a trading volume of over 130 million shares. Despite a challenging quarterly earnings report where Nio missed consensus estimates and posted a negative net margin, several institutional investors have recently increased their stakes, signaling underlying confidence. Analysts remain divided, with ratings ranging from hold to buy, and price targets showing significant upside potential, notably from UBS upgrading Nio to buy with a target of $8.50. The substantial options activity suggests that traders are anticipating significant price movements for Nio, possibly in reaction to upcoming model launches and positive market sentiment, even as the company navigates its financial performance. This surge in interest is undeniable. Coming up next, we'll unpack the details of that crucial UBS upgrade that's got investors buzzing. UBS upgrades Nio, a bullish signal with 21.52% upside potential. Global financial services firm UBS has upgraded its outlook for Nio, OTCPK, NIOIF, moving from a neutral rating to buy on September 16, 2025. This significant endorsement comes with an analyst price forecast suggesting a potential 21.52% upside from its reported closing price of $5.19 per share, with an average one-year price target of $6.31. The forecasts range from a low of $3.04 to a high of $9.50. This upgrade reflects optimism about Nio's projected annual revenue increase of 89.58%, reaching $131,610, though the projected non-GAAP EPS remains at -0.21. Fund sentiment also shows an increase, with 86 institutions reporting positions in Nio, a rise of 5 owners from the previous quarter, and total shares owned by institutions growing by 8.39%. This bullish stance from UBS, a major player in financial analysis, is expected to influence investor sentiment and potentially drive Nio's stock price higher as the market digests the company's growth prospects and the impact of new model releases. And that's just the beginning of our market wrap-up. Stay tuned as we bring you a lightning-fast recap of all today's top stories. And that's a wrap on today's electrifying updates. Nio's ES8 is dominating pre-orders with 100,000 orders already in the books. We saw major stocks like Nio, Rivian, Moderna, Meta, and Bitmine making headlines for all the right reasons. Nio's options market is buzzing with intense activity, signaling big moves ahead. Plus, UBS has upgraded Nio to buy, pointing to significant upside. Don't miss out on any of these incredible developments. Smash that like button, subscribe to ElectroDrive News for all your EV and market insights, ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop, leave a comment telling us your biggest takeaway, and follow us on all social media platforms for real-time updates.